Hello students, so finally we're at assignment 4F. This time round we are going to continue with factorizing, but we are going to use special identities, right? You remember the special identities we have spoken in class. So using a special identity, it actually speed up our process of factorizing as well, if you're very familiar with them. So here we have 4h squared plus 20hk plus 25k squared. So we can rewrite it in a special identity format. So we have our a squared plus 2ab plus b squared structure. So we end up with a plus b bracket squared. So 2h plus 5k squared. Over here, same situation. I rewrite it in the structure of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That gives us a 13n minus 2 bracket squared, right? Then of course, over here, this one, we can't always do it. We can't always use the identity, right? So this is an example just to show you. Just because we have x squared here and 16 is actually 4 squared doesn't mean that this one can use special identity. No, it doesn't work, right? So this is what we get. And then over here, right, is the first thing we do is we can actually take out common factor, extract common factor. Common factor is 9. So after I extract out 9, we have 25 minus u square. 25 is 5 square. So 5 square minus u square is 5 plus u, 5 minus u. We actually learned that this is the third special identity, very useful and important one. So we end up with this, right? 9 times 5 plus u times 5 minus u. Here, okay, again, the third special identity, same thing, right? 49w squared becomes 7w bracket square. 81x squared becomes 9x bracket square. We end up with 7w plus 9x times 7w minus 9x. And then over here, this is another situation where we can't actually use a special identity. So use a cross method. You get 2u minus 7 times 2u plus 3. Okay, so here are more practice using the special identity, especially the third one. So over here, first thing we do is we take out extract out the common factor 2. We have s squared minus 144 here after we put the 2 outside the bracket. Now s squared minus 144, 144 is 12 squared. So we end up with 2 times s plus 12 times s minus 12. Over here, same thing, right? The entire bracket here, a plus 3 is in a square minus 9. 9 is 3 square. So what happened is we have a plus 3, then a plus 3 minus 3. Simplify it, it becomes a plus 6 times a. Rewrite it in this structure so that it's clearer. So a times a plus 6, that'll be fine, right? Okay, so complete your reflection. I hope you are successful and getting the hang of how this algebra works. If not, please, okay, make the effort to be proactive in your learning. Go and find out more. Remember our BBBY, right? So check with your buddy, somebody teach you, read the books. If you still can't unravel how it works, please make an appointment and look for the teacher, right? BBBT, sorry. Right, okay, hope you have a nice day.